Hello everyone, very good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the Vishta Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to discuss about the syllabus of the community health nursing for the MPHW first year students. Okay, so already I have discussed in Telugu version. So now I am going to discuss about the in English version. So by following this easy trick, you can remember the total syllabus of the community health nursing. Okay, so the trick is nothing but the C3H2 C2, okay, one second I will show you. C3, H2, C2, I3, E, SD, IC, CED. So this is whatever I am providing here. No, this all comes under units. So these are subunits. Okay, for example, C3 will be there. So C3 is nothing but the, so here C. Okay, concept of health, concepts and structure, community need assessment. Next H2, home visits and health policies and problems. Next C2, communication, health education, heavy aids and community based rehabilitation. I3, infection, okay, and immunity. Next, immunization schedule. Next, E, environmental sanitation. S, safe water. D is the disposal of waste and excreta. I for the introduction to communicable diseases. C is the care of communicable diseases. So C is the common health problems and E is the epidemic management. D is the disaster management. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. So overall community health nursing consisting of the 9 units will be there if you'll say the subunits of the particular units. So one unit, first unit is having subunits 3. Okay. Next second unit is having subunits 2. Third unit 2. Fourth unit 3. Fifth unit 2. Sixth unit 1. So seventh individual units only. Seventh and eighth, ninth, 10th individual units will be there. So remaining all the units may have the, so one is different from the one unit to another unit. So overall, like maybe if this is the 9 units, no. So 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 2, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 maybe. So 21 or 22 overall units will be there. Subunit, including subunits and main units. It's clear. Overall main units are 9 units will be there. If you see the subunits of the particular partitions of the particular units, like overall, so you'll see then like a 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 12 plus 1 13. So over subunits 13, main units 9. So 9 plus 13. Okay. So how many? 9 plus 13. Sorry. 9 plus 13. Overall total units will be there. It's clear? So this is a little bit introduction about the community health and nursing. So let me see the one by one. Okay. So here the already I told now unit 1 how many partitions will be there, like a C3. Okay. C3. Concept of health, concept structure and community need assessment. Okay. It's clear? Okay. Concept of health. In this definition of health, dimensions of health, determinants of health, primary health care, principles and elements. These are the two topics are very, very important. Definition of health, dimensions of health, determinants of health and primary health care, principles, elements. Okay, these four topics are very, very important. So the three topics are important for long question. This question is important for 2 marks questions. Okay. So next concepts and structure. This is a second sub unit of the first unit. Okay, in this they may ask concepts and structure. In this they may ask sometimes the definition of community. Define community. Okay, and sometimes they may ask 2 marks questions, 6 marks questions also. Sometimes they may ask what is the differentiation between the urban and rural community people. Okay, so there may differentiation between the characteristics. Okay, wait. Differentiation between like a differentiation of the rural and urban people of the characteristics, changes and major and rural problems and urban problems, and how we can prevent the problems. Okay, so this way they may ask the questions. Okay, so you have to know the like a rural people characteristics, rural people problems, rural people needs. Okay, and in the same way you have to compare the urban people also. Okay, so next coming to the, I think, okay, and then sometimes they may ask panchayat system also. Okay, social groups, sometimes they may ask this question also. And next they may ask groups, 2 marks questions, groups, 2 marks questions they may ask groups, organizations. Okay, for 2 marks question these two topics are important. Okay, next organizations, like leaders and community resources. Okay, next coming to the third subpartition of the first one, community need assessment. C3 I told no, so three last C3 is a finished. Like in this they may ask survey. Okay, survey here spelling SURVEI. Okay, the spelling mistake will be there, check it. Survey 2 marks questions important. Sometimes they may ask principles of data collection. Okay, sometimes they may ask interviews also. Okay, okay, methods of community need assessments, community survey, methods and principles of data collection, and interviews. 2 marks questions interviews they may ask. Okay, next home visits. In home visits are very very important. Second unit H2. H2 is a one H is a home visit, one more H is a home problem. Sorry, health problems and policies. Okay, so in these 2 marks questions like home visits, importance, principles, planning, bag technique. Okay, this three, like four will be there. No, these are very very important question. Home visits question, without the home visits question paper, there is no final examination paper. Like that much important this topic is. It's clear? Okay. Bag technique also, sometimes they may ask bag technique also, bag technique and equipment also. These two topics also. In this unit, complete home visiting, and one more topic is the community bag equipment and procedures. Okay, next health problems. Already I told no, like a health promotion subject paper 3. In this also these questions same thing will be there. Okay, health problems in India and health problems of India. This if you study in one subject in one question, so it may save you. Okay, I told no, this question is repeated in health promotion. Okay, nutrition assessments and nutrition problems. Second unit of the nutrition. These two topics are repeated in that health promotion subject also. If you study perfectly in one time, it's useful for both the papers. It's clear. These topics are important. Next to C2. So C2 is nothing but communication and health education and ABS. So in the same way, home visits is that how much important. The same way, communication, health education, ABS is that much important. Without the question paper, some units are very very important, like guidance and counseling. Okay, and next geriatric care, communication, and home visits. Without these four questions, the paper may not be there. Okay. Okay, principles and methods of process of the communications. Okay, in this principles important, methods, process of the communication. Okay, IPR, interpersonal relationship, health education very very important. Definition, uses, principles, scope, approaches of the AVAs. Health education, use of the AVAs, next principles of the communication. These two topics are very very important. Communication, health education, and completely have read the AVAs. And 2 marks questions they may ask, expand BCC, expand BCC, expand IEC. Information, education, communication, behavioral change, communication. Role and responsibilities of multipurpose health worker in IEC. Okay. So next, community based rehabilitation. So this also they may ask sometimes methods of rehabilitation, community-based rehabilitation, or types of rehabilitation, meaning of rehabilitation. Okay, sometimes they may ask define rehabilitation. Okay, methods of rehabilitation. Okay, well, this much only important. Community-based assessment in this definition methods. Definition methods of rehabilitation, meaning or define rehabilitation methods of rehabilitation. Okay. Okay, C3H to finish. Next, coming to the okay C3 to finish. Next one is the I3. I3 means unit 4 is divided into three partitions. The first one is the infection, second one is the immunity, and third one is the immunization. It's clear? Okay, in infection, so this is not long questions. They may ask 2 marks questions. This unit is very very important. Okay. Define infection, types of infection, causes of infection, classification of microorganisms. Incubation means what? Okay, incubation, transmission, next quarantine, isolation, fomites. Okay, next agent, host, environment, next quarantine, isolation, incubation, epidemic, endemic, pandemic, sporadic. Okay, these topics of the terminology very very important. Okay, but you may not get any long questions from this unit, but you may get the 2 marks questions only. Okay, so when you are open this units, automatically you may have the one line terminology will be there. Please go through the terminology. Infection means what, disease means what, carrier means what, host means what, next agent, host, carrier, environment, risk factors, incidence, prevalence, isolation, quarantine, endemic, epidemic, pandemic, sporadic. Okay, these topics are very very important. Please go through this. Next, structure and body defense mechanisms. Body defense mechanism, immunity. Definition of immunity. Okay, next hypersensitivity. Next, types of immunity, types of vaccines, storage and cold chain system maintenance. This cold chain system is very very important. Cold chain system, three topics are very very important. Cold chain system, ILR. You just open the textbook and see the ILR. Iceland refrigerator means what? They may ask 2 marks questions. ILR means importance of ILR. Expand ILR. Next, importance of to carry the vaccine carrier. Vaccine carrier. Vaccine carrier. Next, cold chain system. These three topics are related in immunizations. Is clear? Okay, cold chain system. Okay, in this immunity, definition of immunity, next types of immunity, types of vaccines, storage and preservation, and how we can store, how much temperature we can keep for the to maintain the potency of the vaccines. Okay, cold chain system and everything. What I told now, cold vaccine, sir, cold chain system. Next, vaccine carrier and ILR. Next, third partition of the okay. Immunization. In this immunization schedule is important. Okay, methods of administering vaccine. Okay, this immunization hazards, precautions while giving vaccines. Okay, this immunization schedule. Methods of administering vaccine, precautions while giving vaccines. Okay. Next, unit 5. So unit 5 is the ESD. The three partitions. Unit 5 is divided into three partitions. So first one is the environmental sanitation, second one is safe water, third one is the disposal of waste and etc. Okay. Okay, first of all, moving on to the first subunit of the fifth unit, environment ecology for healthy living. In this, like a basic sanitary needs, 2 marks questions they may ask. Okay, importance of airborne diseases. Okay, airborne diseases. Okay, what is the importance of sunlight and ventilation, home environment, everything. Okay, sometimes they may ask importance of like waterborne diseases, airborne diseases. Okay, and everything they may ask. Ventilation, types of ventilation, importance of ventilation, housing ventilation, water, and everything they may ask. Okay, types of pollutants also they may ask. So next one is the safe water. In safe water, source of water, characteristics of safe water, source of the contamination of water problems, prevention of waterborne diseases, purification of water. Okay, small and large scale, disinfection of the well. Okay. Okay, in this sources, 2 marks question, source of water. So what are the characteristics of the water? Water should be like this. How we can justify the like a safe water by following the symptoms like characteristics. Sources and contamination of waterborne diseases. So the way how we can get the contamination of the water. One, contamination. Due to the contamination of the water, what are the problems we may face? Contaminated water, waterborne diseases. We can call it as waterborne diseases. How we can prevent? So prevention is nothing but before, if we want to drink the water, how we can prevent the waterborne diseases by following the purification of water. Large scale, small scale methods will be there. Okay, disinfection of the wells, waterborne diseases. Okay, so next coming to the disposal of waste and excreta. Disposal of waste and excreta. Okay, disposal of excreta, disposal types of latrines. How we can dispose the waste, how we can dispose the excreta. Types of, by following the latrines we can dispose the excreta in proper way. Okay, types of latrines also important. Types of latrines, methods of waste disposal, incineration, burial, composting, manure pits. These are all the waste disposal methods. Okay, hazards due to waste, this is also important. Next one is so I finished ESD. Next coming to the 6th unit, that is the introduction to community. Like a 6th unit is the IC. IC is not I for the introduction to communicable diseases, C for the care of communicable diseases. In this like a definition of communicable diseases, incidence, prevalence, mortality, morbidity, levels of prevention. Okay, and next surveillance, so isolation. Okay, these topics are important. It's clear now? Okay, these topics are important, and levels of surveillance, isolation. Okay. Okay, next spelling mistake will be there. Pertussis, P-U-T-U-S-S-A, pertussis. So what is the cost of organism? Signs and symptoms, diagnostic findings, how we can prevent, how we can control. So like we have tried all those whatever list out chicken pox, mumps, rubella, enteric fever, hepatitis, rabies, malaria, dengue, filaria, kala hazard. Okay, trachoma, vaginitis, conjunctivitis, scabies, STDs, not like this we have tried. STDs means like this we have to write always, not in small letters. Okay, so what I am listing on, we have tried like this: serial number, type of disease, cost of organism, next signs and symptoms, next investigations. Okay, and next one is the preventive aspects, next one is the control. So this way we have tried that. We have to maintain the column and we have to fill this all the diseases. It's clear. Next, including encephalitis, leptospirosis, acute respiratory infection, diarrheal disease, worm infestation, leprosy. So in this, they may ask like 2 marks questions. So worm infestations, diarrhea, in respiratory infections, pneumonia, cold, cough, tonsillitis. They may ask. Okay, STD, HIV, enteric fever common, malaria, dengue. Okay. Okay, continuation of the sixth unit, care of communicable diseases. Now, in this, already have discussed in introduction class only. So, if you have the in-depth knowledge regarding introduction communicable diseases, based on that, you can provide a better care to the patients who are suffering with the health problems, like isolation methods. In this, isolation methods are very very important. Standard safety measures are universal precautions. So, wearing of cap, mask, goggles, and next gloves, OT gown, next apron, cap, cheppals. These are all the things. Okay, these are the universal precautions to prevent the infection. Okay, in this one only important. Next, seventh unit, C. So C is the community health problems. In this, danger signals, they may ask danger signals. If you find any danger signs of illness easily without delay, we have to refer the patient. Why we have to refer? By observing these danger signs without delay, we have to refer. If you refer, the patient will get the proper treatment within the time period. If the patient will be get the proper treatment within the time period, we can save the life of the patient. That is the reason, as a healthcare department people, we should aware the what are the dangerous illness in dangerous symptoms in illness. Okay, next, physical examinations. In physical examinations, like a inspection with eyes, we have to inspect the condition. Next, palpation by touching the condition. By touching also we can know the condition of the. Next, percussion. By tampering the some instruments we can know the sounds. We can hear the sounds. Okay, only the percussion method is done by the only doctors. Okay, next, auscultation. With the help of the stethoscope, we can hear the sound. Like, so heart rate, heart sounds, lung sounds, intestinal sounds. We can hear it with the help of the stethoscope. That is auscultation. Manipulation is nothing but according to our convenience we can manipulate the. Okay. Next, testing of the reflexes. Okay. These are all the methods of the physical examination. Next, vital signs. Okay, normal values of the vital signs you have to keep it in mind. And abnormalities of identification of the health problems also we have to keep it. These are all important. Methods of physical examination, danger signs of illness, and vital signs, normal vital signs. These are all the things. Next, coming to the eighth unit, in the epidemic management. What is epidemic? Sudden outbreaks of the diseases which come in a certain area. Okay, it is known as epidemic. Definition: causes of the epidemic and role of a nurse in providing the care to the epidemic management. Okay, it's clear. Next, unit 9, disaster management. Okay, definition of disaster, types. Okay, disaster team, functions, and its management. These all the topics are very very important. Disaster cycle also important. Everybody will participate in the disaster management class. Okay, disaster types of disaster, like a man-made natural disaster, disaster cycle. Okay, like a disaster cycle, like a, this is the impact. Next, response. Next, response, rehabilitation, reconstruction. Okay, next one is preparedness. Next, recovery. These are all the things. Before disaster, after disaster. So till now I discussed about the overall syllabus of the community health nursing for the MTH chapter first year students. Already I have finished the health promotion for the middle students. Already I finished the like health community health center for the English medium students in the subject of the community health nursing. Okay, so thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.